Do you ever go to bed and most of the time you're like, oh, I'm going to watch my iPad and watch some YouTube videos, and you're in bed and you're like, oh, I want to watch a YouTube video, but oh no, it falls over, and oh, my glasses, and I want to watch like this, oh, my head, and oh no, that doesn't really work, and oh, that's so annoying. I have the solution for that. Let me show you. So this thing over here costs no money at all, only like $10 or something, and it's a real lifesaver. So it's easy peasy. You just do this, or somewhere else, of course, wherever you would like it to hang. Then you get it into the right position, and you have the screen of dreams, as you can see. And just do this. Put on my YouTube. Best decision ever.